Hi, Percy. Hi, Thomas. Do you want to race? Yeah, but you won't beat me. Ready? Go!
Ah, it's slippy! Why was that track slippy? I can't stop! Oh dear, now we're both stuck.
Carefully, carefully. Phew, didn't drop the box. Oh no, I smashed the box. It was all Thomas's fault. I can't wait to open up my pop-up food stand for the trains. Oh no, the food's all wet. Oh, it tastes all soapy.
Aha! I told you I would win. Yeah, you win. But the race was fun. Yeah, I'd better head back now. Oh no! I'll go get Rocky to help.
Oh dear.
What's the matter, Funling?
I broke my box. It's really slippy here.
Why is it slippy?
It's your fault. You've been spilling slippy bubbles everywhere from your truck. Yeah, and you ruined my food.
That wasn't me. I have an empty truck.
No, you don't. It's filled with slippery bubbles.
Somebody must have pranked me.
But who?
Well, I have noticed Tom Moss following me today. I think I should prank him back. Thanks for helping me, Fairy Funling. If you freeze the spilt bubbles, then we can make Tom Moss crash, as he's been following me all day.
Good plan, Thomas.
Okay, let's go. Now, Fairy Funling. Yes, it worked! Tom Moss got what he deserved.